Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an FTC complaint. The first step is understanding that the Federal Trade Commission, or FTC, is dedicated to protecting consumers from unfair and deceptive business practices. Filing a complaint with them is a powerful way to report fraud, scams, and other marketplace issues. Your input helps the FTC identify patterns, investigate wrongdoing, and take enforcement actions against companies or individuals who violate consumer protection laws, ultimately contributing to a safer marketplace for everyone. Before you begin the filing process, it's crucial to gather all pertinent information related to your incident. This includes specific dates and times when the event occurred, the names of any individuals involved, and the full name and contact details of the company or organization. Additionally, collect any supporting documentation you might have, such as emails, text messages, receipts, or screenshots. Having these details readily available will make the complaint process much smoother and more effective, providing the FTC with a clear picture of the situation. To file your complaint, navigate to the official FTC website, which is ftc.gov. Once there, look for the File a Complaint section, typically found prominently on the home page. You will then be prompted to select the category that best describes your issue, such as fraud, identity theft, or unfair business practices. Carefully fill out the online form, providing as much accurate and detailed information as possible. This direct online method is the most efficient way to submit your report to the Commission. After you submit your complaint, the Federal Trade Commission uses the information you provide to identify widespread patterns of fraud and deceptive practices. While the FTC generally does not resolve individual consumer disputes, your report is incredibly valuable. It helps them build cases against companies or individuals engaged in illegal activities, leading to enforcement actions that protect countless other consumers. You might receive follow-up communication if the FTC requires additional details for an ongoing investigation, so keep an eye out for that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.